There's breaking news out of Germany this morning. A court has just convicted a 97-year-old woman who may be the last person ever to be tried for Nazi war crimes. She's known as the Secretary of Evil. Trent Murray is live in Berlin to tell us more about the ruling, Trent, and about the woman at the center of the case.
Yeah, good morning, Heather. Irmgard Furchner was just 18 years old when she began working as a typist and secretary to that SS commander of the Stutthof concentration camp, now in modern-day Poland. She worked there for 2 years until the end of the war, before living a relatively normal life here in Germany. But it was several years ago that police swooped on her, accusing her of aiding and abetting that SS commander in the murder of some 10,505 men, women and children. Now, specifically, she was charged with being a stenographer, a typist for that SS commander, typing up all of the names of those thousands and thousands of victims that were killed as part of the Holocaust. Prosecutors argued she had full knowledge of exactly what she was doing. She applied for the job voluntarily, was not drafted as many administrative staff of that era were. And today we have officially got that guilty verdict now from the German court. The woman in question did not speak at all during this trial. She wouldn't answer questions, but in her closing statements to the court, she did finally say she was sorry for her actions and she regretted ever working at that Nazi concentration camp.
Why has this trial, Trent, been considered especially significant?
It's significant for a number of reasons, Heather. First of all is just the hands of time. There are simply not that many people left that were of working age during the Nazi era. And so it is very rare for people to be brought to court now because of that. In fact, as you said, many experts believe this may well be the last Nazi war era trial that we see. It's also significant because she is the first woman to have been brought to court for Nazi crimes in decades. And thirdly, it's very significant because it shows there really is no statute of limitations in Germany when it comes to the Nazi era. Crimes that were committed then can still be tried now. It also goes against some arguments which had been made in pockets of German society that because of her age, because she is a nursing home resident, perhaps the legal system should have shown a little bit of leniency, a little bit of mercy. Victims' rights groups will counter that point by saying the Nazis certainly showed no leniency or mercy to the millions that they killed. And in this case, an open court in a democratic system is the right way to try someone for their crimes. Heather.
Trent, thank you so much. Trent Murray is in Berlin this morning on the Breaking News.